In this video, I will show you how to work a perfect stem stitch. I will show the stab method first. Begin from the top of the stitch line and go back in to make a stitch. Before pulling out entirely, come back up somewhere in the middle towards the right of the stitch. The stitch falls on the left side of the open thread. Go back in and come back up from the previous stitch point. Repeat this process. Notice that I'm moving the thread always to the left side of the emerging needle. This is important. The stem stitch works great on curved lines, and therefore it is one of the favorite stitches to use on botanical patterns. Now, I will show you the sewing method, which is my personal favorite method. Go in through the fabric and move the thread to the left while you bring the needle back up through the previous stitch point. Pull out the needle completely. Keep up with this process. Always remember to move the thread to the left and emerge from the right side. You will get a beautiful stitch, perfect for outlines. Let me know if you liked this video. Thank you for watching.